How to log out Gmail on iPhone. So go ahead and open your Gmail application. In this page, click on the profile picture of your account on the upper right corner of the screen. In here, all the email accounts logged in on your device will show, and on the bottom part of this window, click on Manage Accounts on this device. Make sure to tap on this one on the bottom part because common mistakes that people do is that they tap on this Manage Your Google account below their email. So make sure to avoid that mistake since that will bring you to a different page settings. So after clicking on this Manage Accounts on your device, you will then be directed to this page wherein all of your accounts are beside a toggle, and under each email there is a button Remove from this device. So click on that Remove, a pop-up window will show and tap on Remove. After that, your email will then be removed from your iPhone. So that is how to log out Gmail on iPhone. Do let us know if this video helped you out, and if you have any questions, feel free to drop them down below. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.